This video shows you how to assign and revoke facility vouchers. To assign vouchers, go to Facility Portal and select Vouchers. Here, you'll see a list of available vouchers. Simply select the voucher you want to distribute, and choose the user or group from the drop-down menu. Click the Assign button. The voucher will be assigned instantly. The candidate will receive an email notification about the voucher. If you need to revoke a voucher, click on the voucher, select Revoke. You will be asked to confirm the choice. Always double-check before revoking to avoid accidental removals. This will remove access, making the voucher available for reassignment. After a voucher has been reassigned, the history for that voucher will show under the Reassignment History section on the dashboard. You can use the search bar to find assignees or products. You can use the advanced filter to quickly locate users and products in your list, as well as check voucher status to streamline your navigation. Additionally, you can use the export function to download a complete history of all this information for your records.